Hello, I am Imran and today we explore Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, a city where the future meets traditions. If you are planning a trip here, stay tuned. I will share the best places to visit, local culture and travel tips to help you experience Riyadh like a local person. Riyadh is a city of transformation from its historic roots in the Arabian desert to the skyscrapers of today. It's political, business and cultural heart of Saudi Arabia, blending heritage with cutting-edge modern life. The best months are November to March when weather is pleasant for outdoor sightseeing. Summers are hot but ideal for indoor malls, cafe and museum. You will arrive at King Khalid International Airport with direct flight from most major cities. Getting around is easy. Taxis, Careem, Uber and the new Riyadh Metro makes travel smooth. Masmak Fort. This 19th century mud brick fort marks where modern Saudi Arabia began. A must-see for anyone interested in the kingdom's history. Visit the Sky Bridge at sunset. It gives you a panoramic view of the whole city glittering below. Souq and Diriyah Souq. Walk through the old Souq to find perfumes, carpets, antiques, the perfect place to experience Riyadh's traditional market life. Bollywood city and Riyadh season. Every winter, the city turns into an entertainment hub. Concerts, food festival, and family zones make it alive day and night. Edge of World. Just a 90-minute drive from Riyadh, the edge of the world offers one of the most dramatic desert views anywhere. A breathtaking spot for photos and sunset lovers. National Museum and Murabba Palace. Learn about the Arabian Peninsula's past at the National Museum and then step into royal history at Murabba Palace, both within the King Abdulaziz Historical Center. Food and cafe. Try kabsa or mandi at Najd village for a true Saudi taste, or enjoy modern coffee culture in Tahila Street cafes. Riyadh's food scene now rival any major world city. Riyadh is no longer just a business city. It's a destination full of heritage, hospitality and high-tech horizons. For more travel stories and guides, and press the bell icon so that our latest videos will reach to you